Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix sound missing on iPhone screen recording. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's say you want to go and record your iPhone screen and also go and capture your voice, and your iPhone microphone be covering that. So it's likely happening because it's a key setting you have not gone and turned on. So, to go and do this, you need to go and open up your control center by dragging down on the top right hand corner of your phone like so. Now if you just go and tap on the screen recording button, it will go and start recording, probably without your voice and your iPhone microphone, which is why the sound is missing. So what you need to do, go and click and hold on it, and at the bottom you will see an option for microphone. So all you need to do is tap there, and now it's on and enabled. So that's it. That is how to fix sound missing on iPhone screen recording. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.